Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson's name is There is a Girl by the Tracks, which is written by well-known short story writer. Writer's name is Devan Kanal. His contribution is a very important in English literature. He has written so many books. He has written so many other books for the journals as well as the magazines. It is a little bit introductions about Devan Kanal. Now we turn to the title, There is a Girl by the Track. This title is apt and appropriate, suitable title. There is a girl. Who is a girl? We don't know now. And such a girl by the track means such a girl was lying on the track. This story shows us a real incident. This story shows us a real incident about the one girl. What is the name of that girl? Girl's name is Roma Talreja. And one day what happened? When she was returning to her home, at that time she was lying on the track. It was an accident. Such a real accident was happened on the 12th December 2010. Such a real accident was happened at the Mumbai suburban station in Thane district, and there nobody dared to go to save her life. But one person came forward. Youngster came forward and he jumped and then saved her life. Means here we try to understand, most of the people were there in a train, but nobody came forward. Why? There is one reason which is mentioned in our lesson. But one boy, one youngster's name is Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra came forward and saved her life. Such is the story or outline which is mentioned in our story. Here, the given extract means given or the present lesson is under one title. Titles is subtitle. That is a subtitle. That is a compassion. The word compassion is a very important. You have also compassion. You should preserve such a compassion in your life also. And so here our lesson is under the title, that is a compassion. The given extract or given lesson or prose is a terrible accident which happens at Mumbai suburban station in Pune, that is a Thane district. On the Friday 10th December 2010, but what happened? Nobody dared to go where what the youngster did at 6:32 p.m. Means at evening, such a accident was there. Accident was happened there, and the Baleshwar Mishra came there and to save her, that is the life. One statement Such is a statement which is given by the Tibetan philosopher. Philosopher's name is Dalai Lama. Already you know that Dalai Lama. You should read such a history about that, the Tibetan philosopher, that is the Dalai Lama. Our lesson is based on or concerning to his thought, Dalai Lama's thought. What is the Dalai Lama's thought? Now we are going to learn. Love and compassion are the true religion to me. What is the opinion of Dalai Lama? This thought is concerning to our lesson, and so that's why. Love and the compassions are the true religion to me, but to develop this, we do not need to believe in any religion. According to Dalai Lama, in our society, actually, there is no any religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, no. Such the religions are occurred for his own benefits, for his own selfish attitude. Already we are created. According to him, according to Dalai Lama, actually the two religions, the first religion is love and the second religion is a compassion. Both are very important according to Dalai Lama. You have love, you have a compassion, and with the help of these two, according to him, we can help to the others. So here, what is the message of Dalai Lama? You should develop such a two qualities, good qualities. One, the love, and another one is that compassion. Love and compassion he had. Who had? Baleshwar Mishra had. And with the help of these two qualities of a Baleshwar Mishra, that is love and compassion, he helped to Roma Talreja. And now here, but in that train, he was there, Baleshwar Mishra was there, other passengers were there, but except Baleshwar, other passengers did not go there. Did not go. But only one person, he came forward and saved her life. Other passengers were not helped to that our Roma Talreja. Why? Because technical problem. What was the technical problem? Now we are going to learn why they did not go. When we are going to learn our lesson, entire lesson, we will get an idea about that. Why they did not go. Why other passengers did not go, and to help to that the Roma Talreja. And so here, such a the theme or outline which is mentioned in the lesson. Now we are going to learn about the characters. Already we know that there are two characters. The first character, Roma Talreja, and the second character, Baleshwar Mishra. Both characters were unknown to each other, both were stranger to each other, but one character helped to another character. It is very important. Both were unknown to each other. They were unknown to each other. Both characters were on their own way. Nobody identify to each other. And now we are going to learn about that introduction of the character. Now we are going to learn the first character. Character's name is Baleshwar Mishra. Who was the Baleshwar Mishra? Now we are going to learn. Baleshwar Mishra's age is the 20 years old. He was a youngster. His age was 20 years old. He was a youngster, lanky youngster from Mirzapur. And where is Mirzapur? In Uttar Pradesh. Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. He was coming from UP, Uttar Pradesh. He was a youngster, lanky youngster. He was unemployed. He was unemployed. तो बेकार है, नौकरी नहीं. He was unemployed. He was a high school. What was his education? He was a high school dropout. High school dropout. He had two elder brothers. He had two elder brothers. And now here he was a job hunt at Mumbai. And now he was searching for a job. He came to Mumbai. Why? Because his brother was there. His brother was working there, so that's why he came to Mumbai. Already one side he was unemployed. He was a high school dropout. Nobody gave a job to that our Baleshwar Mishra. And now he was searching such a job from one place to another place. And so that's why recently he came to Mumbai for searching a job. It is a little bit introductions about the first character, that is a Baleshwar Mishra. Now we are going to learn about the second character. The character's name is Roma Talreja. Who was Roma Talreja? Now we are going to learn. Roma Talreja's age was 21 years old. Means she was 1 year senior than Baleshwar Mishra. 1 year senior than Baleshwar Mishra. Her job was, that is a call center executive. She was a call center executive. She was working in a call center as an executive. Her education was, she had completed her education, that is a BCom. BCom from Pune. She had completed her education, that is a BCom from Pune. Her fiance means, that is a lover, we say that. There is the fiance. Who was her fiance? That is a Vijay. Vijay was her fiance, lover or friend, boyfriend, like that. The boyfriend, that is a Vijay. And her brother was that is a Dinesh Talreja. Her brother was a Dinesh Talreja. It is a little bit introductions about Roma Talreja. Now we are going to learn our lesson. Lesson's name is There is a Girl by the Tracks, which is written by well-known short story writer. Writer's name is Devan Kanal. There is a Girl by the Track, which is written by Devan Kanal. One line is very important. Nobody dared to go where this youngster did. This line is very important here. Nobody dared to go. Nobody means the passengers. Passengers. The truth means one train came and in opposite side another train went. Another train, yes. And now here in another side Baleshwar Mishra was there and other passengers were there. In opposite side, one train was going, and in that the train, or from that the train, she was falling. Roma Talreja was falling, and now here they saw, all passengers saw, she was falling on the track or the beside the track. They were cried loudly, but nobody went there. But one person, that is a Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra saw such a real incident, horrible incident he saw. One girl was lying beside that track, and here, as quick as he jumped from that moving train, and at last he saved her life. And so that's why nobody dared to go where this youngster did. This youngster, that is a Baleshwar Mishra, had done such a work, had done a good job. What was the job? Good job? He saved her life. It's a very important here. And now here, this line shows us, bold line shows us. Now we are going to learn the next paragraph. As the Mumbai Suburban Electric Train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around the India's most populated metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21 years old call center executive, that is a Roma Talreja, tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train halted, the ahead, and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenuous foothold, and panic. Such a horrible scene. When you go to metropolis cities or metro cities, you will get a horrible picture. Horrible picture. You go to Mumbai, you go to the Bangalore, you go to the Pune, you go to the Delhi, you will get same picture on the railway station. And now here, such a real incident was happening in Mumbai Suburban, in a Thane district. And such an incident was happened at 6:32 p.m. As a Mumbai Suburban Electric Train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station. आणि जवळपास म्हणजे हा इन्सिडेंट जो घडला तो 6:32 जो घडलेला आहे आणि त्या इन्सिडेंटमध्ये Roma Talreja was falling there. The commuters swarmed out and into its 12 package. 12, that is a packed coaches. Coaches means that is a compartment of that the railway station. And now here, the commuters, they swarmed out. Swarm means that is a come. Commuter means already given in your glossary. One who travels to workplace, Delhi. Worker, who is the worker? The commuters. The commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. And that the train had a 12 compartment, that is a packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around the India's most populated metropolis or metro cities. It's a regular scene in and around that is India's most populated the cities like Bombay or Mumbai, like that is you go to that the Bangalore, you go to that the Pune, same situations will get at a railway station. Having just managed to squeeze herself into ladies compartment and the ear, and already we know that in any railway there is one special the compartment or coach, that is a ladies coach or the ladies compartment. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे की जे रेल्वे असते त्या रेल्वेच्या डब्यामध्ये एक लेडीजसाठी स्पेशल रिझर्वेशन एक डबा असतो. And she entered, the Roma Talreja entered into that the ladies compartment, and such the ladies compartment was the crowd compartment, crowd of people, crowd of ladies were there in that the particular compartment. And now here she managed herself and she entered into that the ladies compartment. She managed. 21 years old, means her age was 21 years old. Her job was call center executive. She was working as executive in a call center. Means here call center executive. Roma Talreja tried to settle into corner near the door, and near the door of the compartment she was standing there. Nearby a door she was standing. And now here she was adjusted herself. And now here Roma Talreja trying to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead. Roma jammed between the two women. जसे ट्रेन असा पुढे निघाली तसं ह्या दोन स्त्रियांच्या मध्ये ही चिरडली होती. Means the compartment was full of crowd of ladies. And now here, what was the condition of the Roma Talreja? Talreja was not in a good condition. She was not relaxed. She was standing nearby the door of the compartment. And now here, when the train hurtled ahead, Roma Talreja was jammed between two men. दोन्ही स्त्रियांच्या मध्ये ती चिरडलेली आहे. And then here she was trying to find some space to stand safely, and when she suddenly got a push, and so that's why now she needed one support to control herself, to balance herself. And now here she was trying to find some space to stand safely, and when she suddenly got pushed and lost her tenuous foothold, and that is the panic. Panic means feeling afraid. She was totally frightened. She was totally afraid. Her condition was very horrible. Very horrible. And so that's why now she lost her tenuous foothold, and what happened? She was a panic. Now we turn to the next paragraph. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of a coach. The clatter roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall on the ground more than meter below. She was knocked senseless. She was knocked senseless. She was means Roma Talreja knocked senseless, means she became unconscious. Unconscious. And now here she jammed between two men, so that's why she was trying to find out some space to stand properly, but she could not get. She could not get. So here her hands reached the steel railing above. Steel railing was there. आपण माहित आहे बसमध्ये चढताना आपल्याला धरण्यासाठी असं रेलिंग असतात, रेलिंग असतं. तसं ट्रेनमध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला म्हणजे बॅलन्स राहावा, व्यवस्थित राहावा किंवा आपण व्यवस्थित उभं राहावं याच्यासाठी सपोर्टसाठी म्हणून आपल्याला रेलिंग पाहायला मिळतात. आणि मग शेवटी ही पडणार एवढ्यात ती रेलिंग कुठं सापडतं का ती ते पाहते. बट व्हॉट हॅपन, अनफॉर्च्युनेटली शी कुड नॉट गेट एनी रेलिंग. ओनली शी कुड गेट ओनली द एअर. मीन्स शी कुड नॉट गेट एनी रेलिंग. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली शी कुड नॉट गेट. आणि त्याच वेळेला त्याला ते हाताला सापडलेलं नाही. So the year Roma was thrown, the result was that Roma was thrown out of the coach. And the result was, आणि मग काही सापडलं नाही, सपोर्टसाठी सापडलं नाही. Yes, Roma was thrown out of the coach. And the problem was that she was falling. She was falling on that is nearby the clattering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall on the ground more than meter below. And the train was roaring, clattering, roaring. Clatter म्हणजे जोर जोरात असा आवाज. ट्रेन जसा आवाज करते तसं रोअरिंग व्हॉइस येतात. रोअर म्हणजे गर्जना करणे. आता तिथे गर्जना नाही, जो ट्रेन आवाज करते तसं ट्रेनचा आवाज आपण म्हणतो. द क्लॅटरिंग रोअर ऑफ द ट्रेन muffled the thud of her fall. आणि अशी जोरात दन्न करून ते काय करते त्या आवाजामध्ये म्हणजे ती पडती ट्रॅकवरती, ट्रॅकच्या साईडला ती पडते. लक्षात घ्या. द क्लॅटरिंग रोअर ऑफ द ट्रेन muffled the thud of her fall on the ground or to the ground more than meter below. आता का ट्रेन थांबणार नाही. The train did not stop there when she had fallen on or nearby the track. And so here she was knocked senseless. And now where she was beside the track. In which condition she was there, she became unconscious. Unconscious means that is senseless. आता ती बेशुद्ध अवस्थेमध्ये या रेल्वेमधून पडलेली आहे. आणि ती कुठं पडलेली आहे तर या ट्रॅकच्या बरोबर साईडला पडलेली आहे. आणि त्याच दरम्यान अपोजिट साईडकडून एक ट्रेन परत धावते. आपल्याला माहिती आहे रेल्वे स्टेशनवरती अनेक ट्रॅक असतात. म्हणजे 2 रेल्वे आहेत लक्षात घ्या. एक ज्या रेल्वेमध्ये रोमातल रेल्वे आहे ती रेल्वे, आणि त्याच्याच अपोजिट साईडकडून दुसरी एक रेल्वे येते. त्या रेल्वेमध्ये कोण आहे तर बालेश्वर मिश्रा आहे. आणि नाव हियर शी वॉज आउट ऑफ द कोच and she was lying beside that or nearby that railway track, and in the opposite side whose train was going on, that is Baleshwar Mishra's train was not going but the coming. Yes, Baleshwar Mishra's train was coming in another track, on another track. And so here the horrible incident was happen here. Now tomorrow next period we'll see about that the next part. Thank you very much.